up, Shmurda on the set, Shmurda run that. She watching GotSole.
We got GotSole, Bobby Shmurda in the house. Quick little kick off, Nems at GotSole. Shmurda team. Yup. Bing bong. That was
a party.
It's already a party.
We about to go check these sneakers out. Y'all got some drip from me out there?
Oh, they got plenty.
They got plenty of drip out there.
The real question is, what are you looking for today?
Bad to take home with me. Yeah, I'm not a rapper. Word is born of a trap god. I just live like a rap star. You know what I'm saying?
Are you ready to make some sneaker history? He's ready. No words needed. It's Bobby time. Let's go. We are at New York GotSole, and today is going to be sneaker history. I can promise you that.
How much have you made off of reselling sneakers?
Over 6 figures.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Run me through the outfit.
Levi jeans, Nike sneakers. Oh.
What's the top you got on?
Calvin Klein.
And the jacket?
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton flex, you know, quality outfit.
What is the most you ever spent on a sneaker?
That's easy. I actually just spent $1,300 today. Got Jonathan a little gift. 10 net Yeezy ones.
That's so nice, man.
I have these exclusive pair of Gucci sneakers. They were like $9.60.
What is the worst sneaker release of all time?
Probably Trophy Room 1s, because,
Why?
you know,
I don't know.
a lot of weird stuff went on there.
The worst sneaker release.
I really hate Marvin the Martian 7s. They're so ugly to me.
What is the most spent on a sneaker?
Probably around 3K for my CPFM dunks. I wear them all the time.
Sneakerhead pet peeve.
I really don't like when people call Jordans J.
My guy Nems just pulled up, about to do some shopping.
Bing bong! You want to tell Joe Biden right now?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo!
Bobby on the way, a little bit on rapper time, but you know, he'll get here eventually, so. All right, my guy Nems just pulled up, about to walk out to the crowd. All right, we're here with my guy Nems. We're at New York GotSole. We just walked in. First impressions.
This is fucking packed. Reminds me of sneaker culture back in the day. This is alive and thriving. We here, you heard?
What are we looking for? What are you into?
Jordan 7s, 6s.
Okay, the real retros, okay.
Yeah. Good fit. As always, FYL.
Yep.
Pants, we got the North Face, and then we got the Stussy.
Okay.
Penny Tools.
Good sock.
Okay.
With the
Good
Nike socks.
Gotta have a good
You know what I'm
sock.
saying? Match the orange. You know what I'm saying? We outside.
Tell him about this. Tell him about that.
What?
That's a pretty
The
penny
chain?
right there.
Reversible too. Got the Coney Island face. Your life. We got the pinky ring. We got the presidential Rolex.
Okay. You showed out.
Yeah. Sunlight.
All right, let's do some shopping.
Let's go.
Little giveaway. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough. So let's give away some cash. 205 GotSole tees. Right. To commenters. So comment your size, comment the favorite part of the video, got whatever the black, it is. The white tee. Let's go. Go comment, subscribe. We're running into 100K this year, and enjoy the video. Let's get it. And what's your favorite shoe of all time?
Jordan 7.
Okay, colorway?
Bordeaux.
7.
2011 version.
What's your ultimate grail? Like one shoe, if you could have any shoe, name your price, doesn't matter.
Tokyo 7s.
Tokyo 7s?
Yeah.
So you really like the 7s like that?
Those are my shits.
Bing bong!
That's everything. Give me a shot.
Oh, give me a shot. All right, let's see. One time. Yup. Okay. You said bing bong! We're walking. I go, who's got my phone? I look around at the Nems crew. No disrespect. But I'm like, did I just get Coney Island or something?
That's
racist. No. Quick little pickup. Nems at GotSole. Picked up some pandas. Courtesy of Future Fashion, the one and only. So there you go. Only at GotSole. Nems.
That's a fact.
Bing bong. Let's go. You made my day, dude. Let's go. You made my day. All right. The building. Let's go. Don't worry about this. Worry about that. It's crazy. Bobby Shmurda live on stage. Let's go. Shmurda team. Crazy. Listen, this is crazy. Only at GotSole, Bobby Shmurda in the house. Are you kidding me? Show them what's going on. All right, we got Bobby Shmurda at GotSole.
Hot like a mother.
What you think? First impression walking into GotSole, how you feel about it? Yeah?
It's hot.
It's packed.
It's packed and it's hot.
We're looking for some kicks. Bobby's gonna shop around.
Yeah, everybody shopping around.
We're looking for the heaters. What's on the hit list today? What are we looking for?
We're looking for some ones, some 14s, 13s, Jordans, some Bojacks, all type of stuff.
Let's break down the fit real quick for him. What we got on?
I got the I Can't Feel My Face. They got the G Herbals with the white ups. Bobby Shmurda got the Timbs. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do.
Okay.
The gas,
okay.
Because all I smoke is gas. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, tell him about the jewelry. Tell him about that. Oh my.
Busting everywhere. That's like 200 something right there. The whole hand right there.
Okay.
Yep. Little sunshine, little sunshine. Nice.
There you go. He's looking for the heaters. They're just bringing it straight to the source.
8.5?
8.5?
Come on, let's go.
Hey, cuz.
That's what I'm talking about.
I got a little gift for you. Listen, courtesy of GotSole. Listen, the legend Bobby Shmurda. There's one thing, you got plenty of things. You got popularity, you got clothes, kicks. There's one thing you're missing. Do you know what it is?
What?
The Knicks hat. Woo! Had to give Bobby the Knicks hat. He lost his hat.
My nigga Shmurda team out.
Listen, Bobby's getting blessed up. Everyone's giving him the brands. You gotta support the local brands.
Got to. You gotta support the local brands.
Opinion on the Dior ones.
They fire.
They fire? What's your favorite shoe of all time? This is a grail, but what's your favorite #1 shoe of all time?
Bo Jackson.
Bo Jackson. Hey, that's a good choice right there. Get little man on stage. Listen, gotta show love, little signature.
Get this, get it, Bob. Get the picture. Dad, get the picture.
Hot like a motherfucker, but it's lit, got wild drip, too much drip, yeah? Too much drip for you, wow. Place to be at, anytime you want some drip, you make sure you come to GotSole.
He's out, back up, yo, back out of this, get out of here. Hey, man.
Wild drip.
Listen, this is the best one, this is the GotSole tee, right here. Come on. Listen, what else we got? We got some 11s. Okay, cool.
What size is that, what?
He's excited. Listen, how much did you spend on your tickets?
I only bought $20 off for it, so spent $20.
Travis Scott's for $20. Is this your first GotSole?
No, this is actually my second.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
well, I'm sure there will be a third.
Oh, definitely, I'll be here next year.
So, man, well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How'd you like the event?
Oh, man, awesome. Like I said, I'll be here every other year, guys, man. This is awesome. I had a great time. Thank you, GotSole, baby. Yeah!
Let's go. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe. GotSole, going to the moon. We'll see you soon.
Woo!
Let's go. GotSole, Bobby Shmurda, we out. Where's the whip at?
Right there, that
spinner right here. All right, cool. Let's go.